a case and my partner for helping me prep this case. First, I would like to touch up on their advantages, and then I'd like to go through and add my disadvantages to the resolution. The state of California should increase the legal smoking age to 21. Their first advantage was it would decrease cancer. Well, not all cancer comes about just through smoking. There's breast cancer, there's oral cancer. I mean, it's not. There's skin cancer. Not all cancer comes about through smoking or secondhand smoking. People that have never ever smoked in their lives have cancer. Their second advantage was addiction becomes lower. They didn't explain exactly how addiction decreases through changing the age to 21. Why would people be less addicted just because the age increases to 21? The third advantage was the negative side effects of secondhand smoke would decrease by changing the smoking age to 21. Well, houses already have secondhand smoke goes through ventilation as well. So just because you increase the age to 21, there could be an adult living next door to you over the age of 21 and you are still getting the secondhand side effects. There is nicotine stays in carpet or in walls for years and years after the family that used to smoke has moved out. So while you can be under the age of 21, you can still get the negative side effects of secondhand smoke. The opposite to advantages. The first advantage is it promotes more illegal activity. The first time span of committing illegal activity would be since when you were born to the age of 21 to buy illegal tobacco or cigarettes and drugs. Now that age the smoking age would be created to 21, which increases the illegal activity by 3 years. Now, cigarettes are a gateway drug, which just leads to more harder, more unhealthy drugs, which would be more probable of getting after the age of 18 when you're considered an adult than when you were younger than the age of 18. Our second disadvantage is, yes.
Can you please title on your first one? Didn't quite get it.
Okay. It increases illegal activity because at the age of 18, the time span in which you can commit illegal activity is shorter at the age of 18 than when you're increasing it by 3 years to the age of 21. You create people from the ages of 19, 20, and 21. You're making them that they might not have committed illegal activity. For example, illegally buy cigarettes, since the topic is cigarettes. They would be more willing to do illegal things to get what they want as cigarettes. They'd be more willing to commit illegal activity after the age of 21. Our second disadvantage is you're an adult at the age of 18. You're considered an adult. During the Vietnam War, voting age was 21, but people were drafted at the age of 18. Now, if you are able, that decreased voting age to 18. Now, if you are able to go into war, you're allowed to fight for your death at the age of 18 and create and vote for something as the president. You're allowed to vote for as like such impactful situations and are allowed to go and put your life at risk at the age of 18. You should be able to smoke cigarettes as you wish at the age of 18 if you are an adult. Our third disadvantage is tax money. You will decrease tax money because when you go in to buy cigarettes at a drugstore, you are taxed for buying a pack of cigarettes. Now, if these 3 years where you are not allowed to buy cigarettes, it decreases the amount of tax money, the money that will go to the government now that you're not buying for those 3 years. You're not buying cigarettes for those 3 years legally. Or, yes. It decreases the amount of tax money that could be earned and spent in other ways to increase the productivity of California. This is why the state of California should not increase legal smoking age to the age of 21. Thank you.